Hello, my name is Lee Evans. I'm an application engineer here at EXAIR, and in this video I'm going to show you the benefit of an engineered blow-off solution compared to something that's homemade or that's put together on the spot. So to do that, I have two copper pipes. One of them has a quarter turn valve, turns the air on and off. That's essentially an open pipe on the end. The other has the exact same setup but with one of our super air nozzles on the end. And to my right I have a simulated non-contact pre-labeling application for some water bottles. And I routed all of this through one of our electronic flow controllers. An electronic flow controller is essentially a brain that lets us control the on-off time or delay for a compressed air application. And then right here, we're going to be able to see all the compressed air flow values for every one of these solutions through our wireless digital flow meter. This is happening in real time and being recorded on my PC. What we'll see in this video, we'll see the high flow, high noise level of the open pipe. We'll see the much lower flow, much lower noise level of the engineered nozzle, and then we'll see the additional savings that we can capitalize on when we use the electronic flow controller to set the specific amount of time on or off that we want for the compressed air. To show you that, I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer. Okay, here's our setup. We have the open pipe, we have the EXAIR nozzle, and we have the laser eye for the electronic flow controller. Every time something goes in front of this, it's going to allow the compressed air flow to turn on. Let's watch the flow here, and let's listen to the noise level of the open pipe. Now, let's watch the flow and listen to the noise level of the EXAIR nozzle. Same operating pressure, same working conditions, incredible difference. Now I'm going to turn on this conveyor, and every time one of these water bottles goes in front of this laser eye for the electronic flow controller, it's going to turn the compressed air on. So instead of having the air on for the entirety of the application process, we're only going to have it on just when we need it, just when the water bottle passes in front of the nozzle. So what we just saw, we saw the benefit of the nozzle, and then we saw the benefit of the electronic flow controller. You can see those values here, and you can scroll down for a full calculation write-up on how much compressed air we just saved, going from the open pipe down to the nozzle, and then from the nozzle to utilizing the EFC. If you have any questions about our nozzles, flow controllers, digital flow meters, or any of our other products, contact an EXAIR application engineer.